Scared yourself. So guys, we are now lost from the footpath. What's it called? A fence? So, oh my ankle. Like, oh my god, it makes slip there. It slid all the way down there. Ooh, ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. About to leave now, aren't we? To go high falls. Are you all excited? Yeah. And you're just gonna jump in the pool?
Yeah. Oh, is the towels?
No.
Get a towel.
Just gonna go for it?
No.
Yeah, just jump in, we'll be fine.
I'll front flip in.
So we are currently walking the high falls. We were just at low falls. I put a couple of photos up now. But there was like loads of youths everywhere and I didn't want to take a video in front of everyone. But like look, how nice is this? Like this is with you the whole way at high falls. Like I'm not being funny. It's so nice. High falls supposed to be massive though. Really like wanted to go for a swim when we were there but chose not to. Yeah, I just got stuck on a tree but I'm okay. It's really nice field. Haven't seen any animals on them. Oh, there is right out there. Say hi, Jack. Hi.
Hello.
Say hi. How long have you been walking for now?
Like 45 minutes.
45 minutes? No, I haven't.
I have.
It's been about 15 minutes.
It hasn't.
How long have you been walking for?
25 minutes. 5? No.
It's not been 45 minutes. How nice is that? We've just seen high falls, haven't we?
You'll see it now.
And I'm going to show you, and it's very, very scary. If you know, Kiash is the most clumsy person in the world. Oh my god, I'm going to have to show you this properly in a minute. Wow. Imagine having a swim in there.
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't either. Oh. No, I wouldn't be swimming there either. Oh my god. Scared yourself? Wow, so scary. Oh nah, forget that. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, that was very crazy. Very quite scary. That makes no sense. Kira had to sit away from everyone because she's the most clumsy person in the world. Done. Wow. I'm not sure if any of you have actually been to high falls before, but it seems like it's such a small walk by the little maps. I mean, it's not the longest walk in the world, but I mean, it's not the shortest, is it? Oh my god, right, I've got a new Instagram page with my mum, and I'll put the name here. And it's basically documenting like all the outdoor things I do with them. I'm not very far up a hill. It's not a very tall hill, but I love it. So yeah, we've got the Instagram, and basically what we'll have on it is just like when everyone walks and stuff, we're documenting it. So it's like all in one place. Yeah, it's just quite nice. I just thought to see how we do a little video of us outdoors and stuff because there's so much doom and gloom about coronavirus and everybody in the house all the time, and, you know, mental health obviously going all over, but I just think it's nice to see things, even if you're not actually going yourself, like watching videos of like people outside at waterfalls and that can be like quite nice. So, I didn't mean to just put me nose in, by the way, I'm British, but yeah. Currently walking down the steps I've had in my life. They've let me go first so I can take photos for the Instagram page as well, which I'm quite happy about because they're all eating ice creams and my lactose intolerant body cannot handle it, so I can't have them. So I'm maybe just watching everybody have lovely ice creams and I can't eat them. So yeah, it's not the best, but it's okay, I'm not gonna cry. I don't know if anyone's noticed, but my skin looks so good at the minute. Like literally, like my skin's so clear.
Hey.
I've had a little picnic. What we've done now. Mine consisted of about 3 pieces of pasta, but you know, we'll move. So guys, we are now lost, which is really fun. We're on a field full of sheep, so that's really good. We're definitely lost because my mum says she knows where we are, but clearly she doesn't. So yeah, there's just a bunch of sheep everywhere. Last time I was in somewhere with a bunch of sheep and cows, I got chased. So let's hope there's no cows because of birds. Like, I'm not being funny.
That must be why everyone was behind the hotel. Must be a park behind it. We walk back down. What kind of property is
Famous last words. Sheep are alright, I don't think they do anything.
Are you not allowed to touch me? Or do you just get scared?
No, you can. You're out of breath.
Yeah, I want to go see Fantastic.
No, I don't want to like kick you. There's a road down there, you can hear it, but I don't know where the road leads.
We're scaring them all off, look.
Look at all this, man. There's nettles everywhere.
Look at that.
What the hell? They're really giving me hotties, aren't they?
I want to go scare my head, I don't know what.
No, don't.
Oh, it's coming over! Oh, well. Yeah, that's nice.
No, I'm not having it. Oh my god, they're all like ganging up. Mum was like made a circle. I'm sorry. A public footpath. What the god? Oh, a public footpath. Public footpath, yeah. That's what we're going for. There's one over there. Yes, I've been walking for ages, so now climbing over a fence. So I wasn't trying to be fair. Oh my god, I'm gonna get a splinter.
Ow! Ow! My ankle that hurt.
You should have jumped off like that then. You weirdo. Yeah, devil's lost.
We're seeing 2 rabbits.
I think we're getting somewhere because it looks like some sort of caravan thing. We can see the hotel we went ages ago, like ages and ages ago. So we're walking towards that because apparently we took the wrong path for about half an hour. That's great. So like ages away. We're out of breath. It doesn't really look like much of a hill, but it is. It really is. I'm quite hot as well. Oh my god! I just walked through a spider's web. Strange conversations going on.
I want to move.
Apparently we're not lost anymore, but I don't know how much I believe that. We walked about 45 minutes lost. Apparently not lost anymore, but I don't know if I believe that. Whew. So we're now going to Summer Hills Falls and Gibson's Cave.
I'm not sure if it's this way or that way though.
Check the map. Another little waterfall down here. Deep water. Oh, doesn't look very deep to me. Right, Jack. How you holding up with your foot? Alright, Jack in Daddy's foot.
2 years ago.
Whew, finally getting a second to myself. Literally. My breath. We just went up the tallest stairs we've ever seen in the whole entire life. Like, I'm not being funny, we just had to walk up there. They didn't even look that tall, but I swear to God, nah. We're now walking to find the cave. Because it's supposed to be really pretty, apparently. This little waterfall is so cute though. Wait, I'll show you. Oh, my ankle.
But it's okay.
It's really, really nice. What are you doing? Gandalf. I know you could. How lush. Like, I'm not being funny. Look at that. Oh no, that is so pretty. Like, oh my god, a nice slip there. I literally love this. It's like secluded, isn't it? It's like all chilled out. A really chilled out mellow vibe. I'm not gonna lie though, they died getting down here. It slid all the way down there. My mum caught us though, so it's fine. But It's not for everyone. I don't think Faith's going to come down. I don't think that's her thing. It's so sparkling when you do that, the water. Well, it's just the sun reflecting, but I think it's cute. Ah, my foot! Just got loads of mud on my shoe, so that's nice. Guys, it's only fun on some wrestling to get some good shots for this YouTube video. Look at that. That is so nice. That with your stick. You alright there, Jack?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get told off for letting them do this to me favour. Because they're all over there. How would be a good babysitter? Are we gonna get back?
What?
No. It's about 5 o'clock, which is obviously quite late for like a walk, like for something like this. But because of that, it's so quiet. Like there's no one around. It's literally just us. I've got a hair in my lip gloss, I can feel it. It's really annoying. But we're having, we've just walked along there, right? We're having a walk along here. And I'm carrying all the phones and the car keys and everything. So let's hope I don't fall, because if I do, it's not going to be good news. Not great. Be terrible because I've got my waterproof case on, because I don't want to like break my phone. So yeah, currently about to go in barefoot. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, I needed a wee before, but now. Oh my god, it's so scary. I've left the stuff there. Kira's gonna fall. Do you reckon it's cold? Ooh. Oh my god. Ah! Ooh! Ha! Really? I can't believe it was sliding all over. Ah. Oh my god. Sudden death. Got a little towel. I know. Yeah, the quality is not thriving because of this waterproof phone case, but I'm not being funny, I'm not ruining my phone for this. I mean, I love my YouTube and that, but set too far. Ooh, it's very cold. Oh my god, I'm sliding, I'm sliding. Slide. Watch my feet to see how much I'm sliding, like look. It's like my feet oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Sliding all over. Oh, how are we going to get back over there then? Look how deep that is. Big that.
I'm going up to Jack, he's coming.
Oh, I don't know. Oh!
I might go on there.
Oh, look at them. Look at that water up that leg, lovely. Look how far away Jack is. How has he got that far? It's been about 2 seconds like he's been in the water. He doesn't care about falling over and breaking his leg. Hi guys, as you can tell, I am absolutely shattered. I was out for hours. So basically went from low force to high force, then we went to another waterfall and then a cave. I didn't even know where the cave was. When I got back in the car, I said, "Mum, where was the cave?" And she said, "Oh, it was..." She explained, but I can't even remember seeing it, to be honest. I probably should have vlogged it, but I don't actually remember seeing it. Anyways, so yeah, it was really fun. It was a really nice day out. And I just feel like I haven't been out and done like a full day like that in a long time. So it was really nice. I know it's just a bit of a shorter vlog today, but I just thought it would be nice show you what my crazy family are like. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to link the Instagram page down below where I do me walking on, and I'll link my actual Instagram on as well. So thank you angels for watching, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.